And today I'll be making this sea turtle out of only 4 materials. So first material would be some recycled cardboard. The second material will be blue and green construction paper that I found in my trash. The third and fourth material would just be scissors and hot glue, or you can use a glue stick. For step 1, you'll grab the cardboard and cut off all the sides. The cardboard will be used to be the base of the construction paper that will be used to make the whole sea turtle. It should look like this. For step 2, you'll grab some green construction paper and start ripping it into little pieces. After a while, you should have this huge pile of blue and green construction paper. For step 3, you'll grab the cardboard and start cutting out the tail. And then you'll start cutting out the feet. I then clear my workspace so it's more neat. For step 4, you'll grab some more cardboard and start cutting out the head of the turtle. For step 5, you'll grab your hot glue or glue stick and start gluing the paper on. The hot glue doesn't seem to be working, so today I'll be using a glue stick. I'll glue the cardboard and start throwing the paper crumbs onto the cardboard. Well, that didn't work, so instead I'll be gluing them one by one onto the cardboard. I'll show you the finished product. There we go. Now I'll be gluing the feet and the tail onto green construction paper, then which I would cut out. I'll be grabbing the sea turtle head and start gluing it onto blue construction paper. I will then cut out the head. For the next step, I'll start cutting out the green feet and tail from the green construction paper. Next, I'll grab the shell and start to assemble all of the pieces together. I decided to make a little face on the sea turtle. How cute. This is the finished product. Thanks for watching. I had so much fun making my sea turtle out of trash and recycled items at my home. I hope during quarantine that you can make something just like it. Thanks for watching.